Hi everybody, welcome back. Hope you're all keeping well. Well, today we're going to crack on with building the TMD over in this corner here. So this is going to be the first of probably several videos looking at the TMD. What we're going to start off with today is the West Hill Wagon Works kit. So we're going to have a look at this, build this up, cut a hole over there and get it fitted. And we'll probably get the track laid, and that's probably going to be it for this video. Because then I want to move on to getting all the droppers completed for the track work and start doing some of the modules for the computer control, and also replace the point motors as well. So lots of work to be done here. It's not going to be all covered in this one video, it'll be over the next several videos, but let's have a look at this kit, see what's in it, see what's involved in it. Here we have the kit. Let's see what's in here. So first off, we got a box of bits, and with another box of bits inside that box of bits. So this is all the 3D printed bits and pieces. So we got the supports there, we got some ladders and bits, stairs, bits and pieces, the bits for holding the rails, and no idea what those are, but we'll find out as we go through it. Okay, let's put that to one side. And then we have, of course, the instructions. And there we are, tells you, so number 7, what was that? Pipe work. So that's what that is. It's pipe work. And then we have all the various pre-cut, laser cut bits of wood for making up the base with the instructions. I'm not going to bore you and show you me putting this all together. It's pretty straightforward. It's all in the instructions how to put it together. So I'm going to go away, put this together, and then I'll show you it. We'll cut the hole. We'll probably give it a couple of coats of just a base grey colour, and we'll see where we go from there. So next time, hopefully, you will see this assembled. So there we go, it's mostly assembled now. I'm going to blow over it with a couple of coats of this primer. It's just cheap primer, get it from any of the pound stores. A couple of useful tools, obviously glue. Can't recommend this enough. This is Deluxe Materials Rocket Card Glue. Excellent glue for this sort of thing and for your paper card kits as well. Sharp scalpel needed to cut things out. Sprue cutters. And I use a couple of cocktail sticks for removing excess glue and smoothing the glue around. And you'll also notice here, I just got a couple of crocodile clips here, just to hold things together until the glue goes off. This is the central pillar here. I haven't done the outside platforms yet, because if you'd seen Charlie Chadwick, he's got the same kit, and the way he had his positioned, he had to make a cut in one of his platforms so the locos get in and out. And also some people have said to me that it can be quite a tight fit, so I want to have it in place, put some locos in there and see where's the best to fit the platforms either side so everything fits in. So I'm going to take this outside, blow a couple of coats over it. I'm going to leave the rails in place because I don't want paint getting into the chairs there, because then it will be harder to put the rails back in again. So I'm just going to leave the rails in place, give it a couple of coats. If you're using this stuff, best to use it outside, use a mask. It's quite smelly and can be quite toxic. So outside, give it a spray, probably 2 coats in total, and then we'll come back and see how it looks, and we'll get the hole cut and put it in place. So there we go, it's all in place now. The track's all in and the siding for my fuel depot. Still need to fit these in place, which I'm going to do once I've done the wiring, and I can run locos in and out and make sure it's not fouling anything before I glue everything in place. I'm probably just going to use this basic Hornby engine shed on there because it's easy to lift off so people can see the detail inside, because obviously I want to put the raised platforms in, people in there, bits and pieces of tools and lockers and stuff, and put some lights in there so it's more of a scene. Next job is going to be to cut the track here and do the wiring. That's going to be done separately, because the next video now is going to be fitting these point motors, which is on the board that the camera is sitting on. Because once I do all that, get the board done, the electrics in, then I can test locos in and out and finish off the work on there. Obviously all the landscaping to be done around here as well. That'll be on future videos. So that's the basic kit there from West Hill Wagon Works. Easy enough kit to put together. The instructions are quite clear. Even comes with a little template there to put down to cut out the hole that you need. Yeah, so I recommend it. Lovely little kit. I say use the Deluxe Materials rocket glue, put it together, have a good sharp knife, some crocodile clips, do it on a mat and everything so you don't damage anything. Just blue over there, that's just 2 coats of the basic rattle can primer that you get from most of the pound shops. I will be doing some more painting on this and detailing on it, but that's a future video. Now I want to crack on and get the electrics done. So there we go, guys. The start of the TMD well underway. Now I have to cut those tracks, pull that board out, and next video you'll see me, the board out, fitting these little DCC point motors. More about them in the next video. So if you've enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're new here. As always, big thank you to my channel members and patrons who will be scrolling here. If you've got any questions or comments, do put them down below and I'll pop another video here and here, the old subscribe button in the middle. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.